Welcome back, guys. So right now we've created the video we wanted to create. Right now we have to post it. So I want to post it right away. So what I'm going to do now is to use my photo or video icon here on Facebook. Then it's going to take me to my folder system. And here in my folder system, I want to look for what I created, which is the That Tech Academy rules. So I'm going to click on this. Then I'm going to post this right now. So I need to get my caption. I've created my caption on Gemini. So let me come to Gemini right here to get my caption. So I'm going to come right here to Gemini, and right here in Gemini, I'm going to be able to get my caption. So right here I'm posting what was created already. So I'm going to come back here to get my caption so I can proceed with what I'm doing. So coming back here, I'm going to have my call to action prompts that I created, which is related to a scholarship program. So I'm going to say master the skills of the future, explore a library of tech courses. Yes. So let's use this right now. So we're going to use this right now, and come to let's come to this. So we're going to have something like this right away. So master the skills of the future, explore. Yeah. So we're going to just start it. Explore our tech courses out. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to prefer this one. I think this one makes it all good. So I'm going to go with this. So coming back here, let's come back to our rules right here. So I'm going to have something like this, which looks good to me. So let me get bilatech.com, bilatech.com. Okay, so I can get the actual icon. So this is ready to level up, but I could mix it. Actually, I could mix all these things. I could say explore. Okay, explore a library of free tech courses. So I could start this way: explore our library of free tech courses. Yes, so it's going to be explore. Okay, Control Z. Okay, so let's have this: explore our library of free tech courses. So let me copy this right now, and let me come paste it here. Okay, explore our library of free tech courses here at Billard Tech Academy. Okay, so now we're going to be browse free tech courses. I'm going to get the actual icon that takes them directly to the academy page. So I'm going to come right here and paste this. Yes, one. And secure scholarship, 100% scholarship. Yes. Don't wait. Your seat is waiting. Yes. So we're going to have something like this. So we're going to have something like this. Perfect. So let's have this right now. So this is what we want to do. So I'm going to have this. So let's make sure our posts, these are our reels right here, is being uploaded right now. And that way we have a caption to the reels, and the reels is being uploaded right away. So that's how to go about posting a real video. So here we have the reels being uploaded. All I have to do is to next this, and you can publish. So I'm going to next this right now.
Okay, besties.
Okay, so right now this is our real title. So you could say Bilatech Academy welcomes you. Watch as Beru shares a story at Bilad Tech Academy. Okay, so this is going to work. So I'm going to next this right now, and having to next this, my thumbnail is right there. my caption is right here, and my audience right here. Everything looks good, so I could schedule for later. So let me just choose a date, which today is a Saturday, and right here I want to make sure the time feels right. So I want it to be around morning time, so I could make it like 9 a.m. in the morning. So I'm going to schedule this for later, and that way I'll be able to post my real video. So I'm going to just click on schedule to schedule that for later, and it will be posted much more later. So I don't need to add the WhatsApp button, not now. So I'm going to proceed with the posting, and that way I've posted my reel for later. So we're going to go to the next type of content that resonates with our Facebook audience, and we're going to see how to create that kind of content. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.